We specialize in developing MLM software and websites tailored to the needs of multi-level marketing businesses. Our team of experienced developers understands the intricacies of the MLM industry and can create custom solutions to help you effectively manage your MLM operations. Our MLM software development services encompass a wide range of features and functionalities to support your business. We can design and implement a variety of compensation plans, including binary, matrix, unilevel, and more, based on your specific requirements. Our software enables accurate commission tracking, genealogy management, and real-time reporting to provide you with valuable insights into your network's performance. In addition to MLM software, we also offer website development services that cater to the unique needs of MLM businesses. We can create attractive, user-friendly websites that showcase your products or services, facilitate member registrations, and provide personalized back-office functionalities for distributors to manage their businesses effectively. Our websites are responsive, ensuring a seamless user experience across different devices. Our development process focuses on delivering high-quality, scalable, and secure MLM software and websites. We work closely with you to understand your business objectives and tailor our solutions to meet your specific requirements. With our expertise in MLM software development, we strive to provide you with a robust and reliable platform that empowers your MLM business for growth and success. If you're looking to develop MLM software and a website that aligns with your business needs, our team is here to assist you. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and learn how our MLM software and website development services can benefit your business. You can contact us on